Good morning, guys. In front of me is NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select users and accounts, mark the account that you want to get rid of, and select remove. Then confirm it by providing your screen lock pattern, PIN code or the password, whatever you use, and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with your Nubia. Then, whenever you want to add Google account, just open users and accounts again. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or LTE. Click on Add Account and choose Google. Now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address, so let me enter it. And click Next. Now enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, click on Next. Here, go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. Tap on I agree. Accept. And that's it. As you can see, account is added here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.